In this next video, we will show you how to export trajectory and point information from Solidworks to Robotics. Let's start by clicking Robotics from the top ribbon bar of Solidworks. After that, let's click on Settings and let's make sure our reference name is reference SV. After confirming this, let's click on Load Project, and after that we need to select the project file we are going to open in Robotics. In our case it's Trajectory Generation Robotics. After this, let's click on Load Selected. Now we can close this window in Solidworks and let's open Robotics, and now we need to create reference frame, and by right clicking rename it to reference SV and click OK. Now we have a reference frame called reference SV, and all our models and trajectories exported from Solidworks will be imported under this reference frame. Now let's export our model file from Solidworks to Robotics. This can be done by selecting Load Path. And now our building floor elements appears in Robotics environment under reference SV reference frame, but its orientation and location is not correct. This can be changed by double-clicking reference SV and inputting values here in these boxes. Let's input 90 degrees here and 180 degrees here. Now, as we can see, the floor element is correctly orientated, but location is still incorrect. I will correct its location by inputting 2000 mm transition here and 1000 mm transition here. Now, as you can see, our floor element is positioned in front of the robot as it should be. Next, we need to rename our building floor element to building floor model and click OK. And now the next step is to import our oval-shaped trajectory from Solidworks model. This can be done by clicking Load Curves and selecting all the elements needed to form our oval-shaped trajectory. After we have selected all the lines and arcs involved, let's click on Correct. And now our oval-shaped trajectory has appeared in Robotics environment. Let's rename this oval-shaped trajectory to building floor trajectory and click OK. Now we still want to import the points for nailing or drilling from Solidworks. This can be done by clicking Load Points and selecting all the circle center points needed for nailing or drilling. After we have selected all the elements needed, let's click on Correct. And now, as we can see, also these points have been exported from Solidworks to Robotics. Let's rename these points to building floor points. And let's click OK. These are all steps needed for importing trajectories and points from Solidworks to Robotics. In our next video, we will show how to create robot trajectories based on these informations. Thank you.